Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Scotch Elementary School in West Bloomfield Township, Michigan. Back to my home state. First one of the school year for 2023-2024. This is my fourth visit to Scotch, home of the Highlanders. And I'm standing outside their office, sitting actually right now. But they're big keys to success for this school year, especially. It's the ABCs to success, right? A for accountability, B for behavior, and C for community. And we really tried to focus on those three principles in the assembly today. We talked about leadership, turning our passion into our purpose. So what we love to do, what brings us life, what makes us come alive. You know, we really wanted to instill that in all the young people today throughout the programs. And I think we accomplished that because a lot of them came up to me, shared their heart after, and said something touched their heart. And I said, that's great. So go share that gift of kindness with others, right? Because as leaders, we can be loud leaders, vocal leaders, like myself, I talk a lot, or quiet leaders. We lead by our actions, lead by example, right? That's why this shirt that I wear for this assembly, it's the peace sign, but different colors, because so many different ways to be a leader. And there's no right or wrong way to be one. It's just that we always want to make sure we're doing something positive for others. Like Dr. King said, you know, life's most important question is, what are we doing for others? And even the smallest action can make a huge difference. I had one girl come up to me and said that at Starbucks, one of the baristas dropped some cups on the floor. She helped them pick up the cups. And, you know, it's a small action, sure, but, you know, maybe that made that person's day, you know, that someone that young was willing to take some time, just a couple seconds to help them and, you know, really start to see that, you know, we can make a difference even at a young age. And for them to understand that, grasp that, that's a huge life lesson to already get. And so I'm always happy to come back here because we keep building on what we spoke on in the past. I've talked about bullying, I've talked about diversity, positivity, and now leadership. And, you know, the reason that this logo is also in the shape of a heart is because that's where our passion has to begin. And I've had a lot of students come up to me and say, Mr. Peace, you know, my passion's basketball, or I love reading, I love to draw. And now they're already understand they can actually help others learn that too. You know, whether it's being a coach for first graders, you know, as a fifth grader, whether it's, you know, being a tutor for like a kindergarten student, you know, even though you're already a fourth grader, you know, there's so many ways we can help out. And that starts to make this world a lot better place. And so it's always, you know, very motivating for me because I know that, you know, we got these people that are making a difference and understanding their power. And part of that is knowing our worth, right? So all of us with the lines on our hand, we have the letter M. I traced one of mine here again. And that stands for miracle, right? Upside down, W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into that, you know, we can go and be that light to other people's heart. We talked about that today in our hand motion rap, that we got to be a shining star, right? We got to shine our light, like not just keep it hidden, but have the courage to do what's right, even when no one's watching, knowing that what we're doing, we're not just doing it for a trophy or, you know, for a certificate or money, but we're doing this because it's heavy on our heart. It's the right thing to do. So think about our legacy, trying to be like someone's helping hands, being like that bowling ball, strong character, you know, strong accountability, and looking at our behavior, knowing that, you know, there are times that we aren't maybe around by an adult, but we still know what's right. You know, we still know the right behavior, we still know what to do. And we know that the community, the greater purpose here is to help each other, right? That we're all here for a reason at this time in history, this point in time. And, you know, that means that part of our why is the people that are, you know, in our lives, our classmates, our coaches, our friends, parents, everyone. And we know that we put people first and things second, make that a priority. And that's, you know, also how hopefully, you know, we're gonna start making it a change. So thank you all for touching my heart. You guys have big hearts. Keep sharing, you know, throughout this school year, just touching other people's hearts as much as you can. And even if you're having a bad day or going through something difficult, we know that we can always persevere, keep pushing, and really come back to helping others, because that's what fills us up. You know, it gives us that reward for what we end up doing. So thank you again. Hope to see you soon. And as always, make sure that subscribe button is to pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.